Okay, we are live. All right. So, does anyone have questions on part one that we need to go over?
Just to make sure that I didn't lead Annabelle astray, what was your answer for number 1B?
1B was not unusual.
And what was your Z-score?
Negative 1.059.
Okay. All right. That's what we got to.
So, should we skip part one and go to part two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The mean score of all GRE scores is 150.8 with a standard deviation of 8. Scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE, okay, blah, 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 blah. The mean is 150.8 and the standard deviation is 8.8, and that was thanks to Shari. I totally got, because it said quantitative portion, so I thought that there was another portion and we had to figure it out. So that's why I emailed you yesterday. So I totally was like, why did they add quantitative in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's funny.
Okay, so B, what portion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above 165? Did everyone understand that one?
0.053.
Yeah.
Hold on a
I
second.
guess maybe we should just ask if you have questions, because I guess we could go over this. There's an answer key, so I don't understand C, and maybe that's because my applet, I think, had issues last night. I plugged it in 4 or 5 times with a different answer.
Oh, really?
So let me.
On part C?
0.10. You put 0.1 into the area. Okay, now it's.
Okay, but you have to put your Z-score in the bottom first.
But isn't that how you find? But it's.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me read the question.
You have to find the Z-score.
Okay, if the student score is in the 10th percentile. So you've already done this first part, right?
Yeah, I did B. I just need C.
Okay, can I ask a question real quick? Sorry. Yeah. I'm just now looking at like comparing the part 2 on the preparation assignment and then the part 2 on the the answer key. Is it matching up for you guys? Because something's off on mine. Like I'm seeing. This is weird.
They put the graphs in.
So, well, yeah, but like, okay, on mine it shows number 6.
Yeah, number 6.
And on my part 2 of my preparation assignment, it shows A, B, C, D, right?
Yeah.
And it says next to number 6 says the mean score of all. But when I go to number 6 on part 2 of the answer key, it has what's listed on our regular assignment as A is actually next to number 6.
Yeah.
And the B is listed next to the A. And I don't even show. Yeah, and it's like the letters are not the same.
Right. Yeah, they're all.
Okay. I was like, I'm missing something here.
No.
So wait a minute. So the D. So D on that on 6. So there's not a D. Hi guys.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay. No. So
there's not a D.
Okay, that's weird.
Isn't that weird? I'm trying to make sure.
Yeah. So all they've done is just instead of 6A is just 6. And so it's just bumped everything down.
So what's missing is that next to number 6, that the mean score of GRE scores is 150. That is actually missing from the answer key. So I'm like getting confused when I'm looking at it because I'm like, what?
Yeah, it's just number 6 now.
All right.
Okay, so sorry, can we go back to what are we on right now then? I'm trying to.
6. She wants to talk about 6C.
We're on B. Okay, good, because that's what I want to talk about.
Yeah, let's talk about B.
Okay.
Okay,
so I kind of
B.
Get how you do.
Okay, so I went.
Good. So B is a boy. Is that where we're at?
Yeah. Well, yeah. That's what you wanted. Are you talking about B on our homework or B on the answers?
No, part 2.
Okay.
We're B on our homework, or B on our
B on the homework. Okay.
So you do 165 minus 150.8 because 165 is X. And then 150.8 is the mean. Then you minus that and then divide it by 8.8. And then you get 1.614. Then you go to the applet.
Okay, that's where I need to. Okay.
And then you put 1.614 in the z-score, and then it pops up the area at the top, and that's your proportion. But you have to make sure that the little blue colored in area is above the 165.
Yeah. Because it wants
Okay,
to know,
wait. So let me back up. Sorry, didn't hear.
You're good.
Okay, so then the answer is...
What were you getting? I wasn't getting the same.
065? Is
Zero.
that the answer, Dan?
It's 053. 0.053.
And how did you... Because when I plugged it in, am I plugging it in
Okay, let me
on
go
the left or the right side of the z-score? Does it matter?
Let me go back to the
you'll plug it in on the right. It doesn't really
right.
matter, but you'll plug it in on the right because it's a positive.
So you plug in 1.614 and you push enter. Then you have to take out that blue that's there because you only want what's higher than 1.614. So you click on that and it comes out to 0.0533.
So you click the blue on the right side?
You want the blue area on the right side.
Yeah, because you want the proportion of the people who take it above 165. And the z-score
Okay.
5 is 1.614.
Okay, I see it now.
Do you get it, Annabelle?
I think I'm getting it.
Okay, so now...
Yes, that makes more sense to me now.
So now that you have all of that in there, Krista, you should be able to just go up and put the 0.10 in the top.
Okay, let me try that. Okay, now I get the answer right. Oh my word. Thank you. I even emailed to him last night because I kept getting 1.6 something.
Oh, really?
Are you talking about B? Are you still talking about B, Krista? Sorry.
So if you just jump down to C, it wants to know what the student's score is in the 10th percentile.
So wait a minute. What's the answer to B then?
0.053.
Okay. Okay. You guys are too quick. Okay.
So before you change anything on your applet,
okay, so we on
you've got all that information already in there.
Okay, got it. That's what I need to do.
Yeah, so if you just put in, because it wants to know the 10th percentile, if you in the area box, if you put in the 0.10, then it will give you the z-score for that 10th percentile.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
And my note to myself is to watch the negatives, because if it's lower than 50%, then it's a negative.
Right. Okay.
I keep forgetting that for some reason.
So, okay, so if you put 0.10 in the area box, and you didn't change the score at all. What?
Did you hit enter?
Uh-huh.
And it didn't change anything for you?
Oh, no, it did change. Never mind. So it's 1.282, right?
Yeah, but it's going to be a negative because it's in the 10th percentile, which is less than 50%.
Okay, that's what my question was. I was like, how do you know it's the negative? Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Got that
I
part.
usually have written that like ginormous in my notes.
I know. Like,
Forgetting.
10th percentile.
Uh-huh.
When is our first exam, by the way?
Not next week, but the week after. I looked it up. But I emailed him and we're allowed 1 page of notes. Or I asked him on the...
Yeah, I saw that. I'm glad you asked me because I thought it was all like...
I'm going to write really tiny and all
that's
over.
what I'm doing.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to put an example problem for every single thing we've ever done.
Yep.
So that I can go back and go, how was I supposed to do that? Yeah.
Okay, Krista, we're putting you in charge of that sheet. If you just want to scan it after you're done and let us know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
Are we ready to go on to D? Okay. So,
As ready as we'll ever be.
everyone understand D? Do we need to go over D?
Okay, wait. So I have to line this up again. D, what is the...
That's the C on the answer key.
Okay, so what is the quantitative GRE score for a student who scores in the 10th percentile? Now this is different than the one we just did.
So, so what you're going to do is
solving for X.
Yeah, so you're going to plug that answer for the one before, that negative 1.282, that's your Z-score, and you're going to plug that into the original equation of the Z equals, the X minus the mu over the standard deviation.
Okay, which is, let me see, wait, so the
Z-score
negative...
It's going to be negative 1.282. Well, because that's the Z-score, it's going to equal, let's see,
X minus 150.
X minus 150.8 over 8.8. And then you have to times each side by 8.8 in order to get rid of the divisor.
Sorry, can you, okay, hold on. The Z, so we're on that, just making sure I'm writing it right. So it's negative 1.282, and then we do the equals, and then the X is the 150.8, is that right?
No, it's X minus. You're going to solve for X now, instead of solving
we got to find
Z.
X. We don't know X.
X is what you're trying to find out. It wants to know what the GRE score is.
Oh, okay,
That's your X.
So which one is the X? Sorry.
It's going to be the score for the student who scores in the 10th percentile.
Okay,
so you want to put X, and then you're going to minus the mean, which is 150.8.
Okay, I'm just looking at their example, so I'm getting confused, I guess.
If you look at C on the answer sheet,
and
it has the solution, and it has that formula Z equals X minus mu over sigma. Okay, so Z score is what we got, the negative 2.82. Okay, X is X. Mu from the original problem is 150.8.
Okay.
And the sigma is your standard deviation of 8.8.
Okay. And so is this, if I'm remembering my algebraic equations right, are we timesing by 8.8 on the other side? Is that what you do? Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, my daughter's doing this now in school, and so it's helping me. Okay, good.
Yahoo!
Okay, let me work it. Can I just work it out before we move on, just so I make sure I understand it? Because otherwise I'm gonna be like, okay.
So how much time do you guys spend on this?
It depends. I can't figure out E on 7 for anything. I finally went to bed because I couldn't figure it out. But I don't know. I probably spent an hour on part 2.
What?
Do
Maybe.
you guys watch all the videos?
I love them. Although I like Brother Balls better than the other guy.
Yeah.
Brother Balls explains things super well. The other guy does not.
Well, the other guy, I can hardly hear his videos. Like, they're really muffled.
They are. And I turn them all the way up, and I can still barely hear it.
Me too.
Am I getting this wrong, guys? I don't know what I did. I have no idea what I did.
What do you have?
Something totally off. I got like a 0.07, or I don't know what I did.
Okay, so you times negative 1.282 times 8.8, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you get?
Negative 1.2. Yes. So that was negative. Is it a negative 11.282?
278.
Okay.
Yeah, 2816. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
then you're gonna do the same thing again. You're gonna add 150.8
To that number.
to both sides, right?
Oh,
So cancel
okay.
out the X
Okay, hold
sign.
on just a second. Plus 150.8. I see. Okay, so that's 130.5.
Okay, and so since it's looking for a GRE score, you're not going to get a 0.5. So
You have to do a whole number. Okay, so it has to be a whole number. Okay. Got that. I got it.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Are we on to 7 now? Oh, we have to do D.
No, that's what we just did.
That was D.
We just did do. Sorry. I'm looking at my answer key. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tell me
7. So we're on 7 now, right?
Yeah, I think we're all.
So then the mean is 1800, and then the standard deviation is 600. So that's A. Okay, and then B. Do we need to go over B?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah, probably.
So then you take, sorry, the 2500, because that's the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed over 2500. So you put 2500 minus the mu, which is 1800, over 600, which is the standard deviation. And that comes out to 1.167, or 667. And excuse me, then you're going to plug that into your applet for your z-score.
And that's going, okay.
And then you want to make sure that it's the higher over that. So you just click on the right side, and you get 0.1217.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 1, 6.
Did you guys get that?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 1, 6.
Yeah, that's what I got.
The
Okay.
answer says, well, because it's the 3 decimal. Okay, never mind.
0.122.
Well, no,
Okay.
the answer sheet has 4 decimal spots. I don't know.
Yeah, it's really inconsistent.
So is that, whoopsies, didn't do that. Oh, shoot, 1, 2, 1, 6, 6, 7. So it's not 0.1216?
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
even though
we
it
were
says
talking, they
17.
want us to round it to the third decimal,
Yeah,
so it would be
they round it.
0.122.
Third decimal.
Are you still there, Krista?
Yep, I'm still there.
Okay. You're
So I'm going to
picking-
get confused about, I think I'm going to get confused about what we round, like which numbers we round to what decimal point.
No.
I think in any of the actual assignments that we do, it's the third, but
Right.
unless it says otherwise. But on the answers and stuff, it's really
So-
hit and miss.
So would this like technically be like 122?
Yeah,
0.122?
yeah.
Okay.
And I noticed that the applet only does 4 decimal spots.
Mhm.
So, okay, are we
Okay.
ready to go to C? Are you doing okay, Annette?
Yeah.
I'm still here, yes.
Okay. So what is the probability that a random selected particle has a speed that's less than 2500? So then you go into your applet. Let me get back to my applet. And then you're going to plug in your z-score of 1.1667, whatever. 7. And then you want less than 2500, so then you're going to mark the blue in the middle and the blue on the left, and unmark the blue.
Okay.
Okay, there's an alternate way to do that one too,
Okay.
because we figured out the probability that it would be over 2500. the probability that it would not be over 2,500, it would just be 1 minus the 0.122.
Yeah, I didn't think of it that way. That's
Yeah, but that only works if you have the probability of the other half.
So then your answer is 0.878.
Okay.
Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep. What is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed that is less than 1,500? So then our 100, we subtract 1,800, which is the mean, and divide that by the standard deviation of 600, and you get negative 0.5.
Okay.
So then you plug the negative 0.5 into your applet, and you make sure that it's just that left side. You want less than 1,500, and then your probability is 0.309.
Okay, do that one again.
Okay. So your x is 1,500 because you're finding your z-score. So you want 1,500 minus the mean, which is 1,800. Standard deviation is 600, so divide it by 600, and you get negative 0.5. 0.5 into your applet and put it in for negative 0.5 and hit enter, and then you make sure that the blue is just on the left side because you want less than 1,500. And so if you make sure that your blue is highlighted just on the left, then your area up above is 0.3085 rounded to 0.309, and that's probability.
Okay.
So I guess, can I ask a question? I get confused about how to know what part to shade, really, like in the way of like this one.
So the red lines are your z-scores, and if it says less than 1,500, because that's your the z-score for 1,500 is negative 0.5. So if they want less than that, then you do the left hand of the right, or the red.
Okay. Yeah, it's just like a number line. You see the number line and it's got the negatives. So if you're going to the left, you're going smaller, so it's less than. If you're going to the right, then it's more than. And so if it's asking you for the less than, you're always going to go to the left of whatever your z-score is.
Oh, okay, I see. I guess I was confused because when I went back to C, I was kind of getting confused. How did I know to do 2? But then I saw it was less than. Okay, that makes sense. Got it. Got it.
Okay, and I didn't get E, but I'll read it. What is the probability the randomly selected particle has a speed that's between 1,500 and 2,500?
Yeah, I didn't understand that one either.
And I went over trying another problem he did last night, trying to figure it out, and I just couldn't do it.
So you want it to be in between the 1,500 and the 2,500, which we found. And so you're going to take your, like the equation for it is T parentheses 1,500 the less than.
Now I wrote this down, but it didn't make sense to me. Sorry, are you there?
Yeah.
Score for the 1,500.
Okay.
Is 0.878.
Okay.
And you're going to subtract the z-score for the. I'm sorry, what?
How did you get that?
Could you repeat the formula?
Yeah, you kind of.
You cut out. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's T.
So it's T
parentheses 1,500 is less than X less than 2,500. Okay. So essentially, you're saying your probability that it's 1,500 and your probability that it's 2,500 and you're looking for the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got our probability that it's 2,500 is 0.878. And we're going to take away the probability that it's 1,500 or less than 1,500, which was 0.309.
Why do you
Okay,
take it away?
So he did like a number line, okay? I'm going to draw a picture just because I can explain it better with a picture. So you have a number line that says like, so you have your, you see it? So like this is our less than 2,500 would be this.
Nope. Can you put it up a little bit higher?
Yeah. I'm going to actually grab a bigger paper that's not all written on so you can see.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not understanding it either.
Yeah, hold on a second. I suck at explaining, but I can draw a good picture.
I'm just confused of how to get the decimals that they got. Like that's
Yeah.
why I don't.
Well, I understand where the decimal came from. It's from C and D, but I don't understand how the formula came from.
Okay, can you see that now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you have the z-score, or the probability, I mean, for less than 25, and
Right.
we have the probability for less than 15.
Okay.
So all we have to do is get rid of the less than 15 portion, because we don't care about that part. So you're going to take 25, your probability for 2,500, which was the 0.878,
Oh, I get it.
and subtract.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain it to me.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay, so my probability for 2,500 was 0.878. Okay, that's my
Right.
probability if it's less than 2,500. Okay? I have a probability for what's less than 1,500, which is 0.309, right?
Okay. I'm just
So
looking
trying to
back.
find
Sorry.
out how big this piece is from here to here.
0.8.
I don't want to know this part because I want it to be between these two numbers. So all I have to do is subtract this area from this number.
Get that middle area. Okay.
Does that
Okay,
make
let
sense?
me just make sure I got that. So I'm looking at this. 0.3 and hold on a second. Let me just work it out. Make sure
So
I got the
it's
same thing.
0.5698.
Yeah.
Minus.
Yay. I finally
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay, does that make sense to you?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
finally for me. It just seemed so complicated
Yeah.
last night. So it was too late.
Drawing the line really helped, like, see what had to be done.
Well, and I did that, but I still, I don't know. I can't figure it out.
Oh, brain was shot. Huh? Annabelle, did that help make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
I did get it. Thank
Is
you.
that You're good?
Okay, we're good.
Okay, so F, what is the third quartile of the speeds of hydrogen at room temperature? Okay. So, you have to find out the Z. Okay, all of a sudden my brain just froze.
Okay, I went to the applet and did the percentile first.
Okay.
That may not be right.
Does-
Hold on. Yeah.
Did you type in
I
that?
can do the z-score. So I put up in the area box 0.75 because that would be the third quartile.
Yes, it does.
And that gives you the z-score.
Mm-hmm.
And because it's higher than 50%,
It's
it's
positive.
a positive.
Okay.
So that gives you your z-score, and then you just do the reverse.
And it's 0.674.
Uh-huh. So then you're going to plug it back into that
So,
same place we did
okay.
earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, let me work it out, see if I can.
And then you're going to solve for X again. I knew I figured it
Okay,
out.
so what? I'm trying to remember what we're using for the numbers here. It's
Z equals, oh yeah, from the equation, yeah.
1806.
600.
Yeah, okay. Let me try this.
Did you do the homework quiz, Shari?
Yeah, I did.
I haven't done that yet. It just got too late last night.
Mm-hmm.
And plus, I didn't know how to do those two problems.
Yeah, I was actually gonna wait, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it because if I suck it up, then I can do it again. So, that's brave.
Okay, plus
I didn't get to yesterday.
20.
Yeah. On my brace.
So I got 2204.4. Is that correct?
Yeah.
What did you say?
2204.4.
Yeah, that's what I got. Okay.
Huh. No.
No?
Hold on.
But that's
No.
that's not the whole problem though. Hold on, there's more to it.
Okay. Well, I didn't even get. Oh, so that was supposed to be X, right?
Yes.
So that's our our X.
Third quartile.
Okay, hold on. Just. Oh, what did I do?
So that is it. Yeah, that's the whole problem.
Okay, I did something wrong.
No, that's right.
Hold on just a sec, guys.
Nope, you said.
So you take 674 and divide it by 600. No, multiply it by
Multiply it,
600,
yeah.
huh?
Uh-huh.
That's where I went wrong. Okay. So dang it.
Krista, did he do the NASDAQ price and volume
Yes,
problem on
he
homework?
did. Yep, he
Yeah, I'm
did.
gonna have to review that.
Yeah, we totally can. I can stay after we're done quiz if anyone has questions on that
Okay.
homework.
Well,
Even overall.
I didn't go through it. I didn't have time to go through it, so I'm like,
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I got it. Okay, 405. What was it? What was the? Hold on. Okay, so what did you guys get for an answer?
2204.4.
Okay.
2,204.4.
Okay, so I did it wrong again. So 674 equals X minus 1500.
1800.
8. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'll get it. Okay.
8.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on then. Yeah.
Okay. So plot A. I got not normal.
Yeah, definitely less skewed.
This is weird. And then plot B is not normal.
Yep, that's the S shape.
Okay, so plot C, I put not normal, but the key says normal.
Yeah, that one, because if you drew a straight line through it, they all kind of hover. They vary, but they all kind of hover right around that straight line.
Oh, okay.
There's a significant curve in it.
Okay. I guess it's just going to have to be practiced with this.
Uh-huh.
Plot D is normal.
Mm-hmm.
And then plot E is not normal.
Right, because see, that one has a really strong curve out.
Curvy thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then plot F is normal.
Yeah.
You know, and last night in the meeting, he said that we would just kind of get a feel for it after a while. So
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, I actually drew lines for mine this time just to help. Like, I just drew a straight line through them, and that helped with that because it was D.
That's a good idea. I'll have to remember to do that. Okay. You ready for this?
yes.
as ready as we're going to be.
True quiz.
Wait, let me get there.
Yeah, I'm not there yet.
And of course, the first two questions are going to be easy.
Let's hope.
This has 18 questions. Whoa.
Dang.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, they're getting a little bigger here.
Okay, the total area under a density curve must equal.
Hold on, let me get there.
Sorry. This was an easy one.
I didn't have it pulled up yet.
Okay.
Can I just say what it is? Is it 1?
One.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I guess we can have to wait for that.
Okay. Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis.
Oh.
No.
False. Never, ever,
Yeah,
ever.
false.
Negative. A normal density curve is symmetric.
Sure.
That's true.
True.
Okay, use the following image to answer questions 6 and 7. If I'm going too fast, just yell at me.
Okay.
Okay, which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image?
C.
C. Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1?
B.
B. Yeah.
B. Mm-hmm. Okay, whoops, sorry. Where am I? Okay, according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean?
68.
68.
Yep. Was 1, 2,
Well, I hope the rest of the quiz is this easy.
No doubt.
Yeah, right.
Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answers a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. If the answer was 0.389184, you would answer 0.389. Okay, so we just need to plug in -1.
Plug in -1 is what we're doing.
Yeah, or 1, whichever one.
Proportion of the values.
And then make sure the blue, we have to make sure that the blue is in the middle of those two.
Okay.
So I got
0.683.
0.683. Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2?
Yeah. .955.
0.955 is what I got.
Yep.
Yep, me too.
Okay.
955. Ooh.
Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the applet. Okay, -3 this time.
.997.
Mm-hmm.
That's not what I got. What did I put?
That's what I got.
Oh, I put a point.
Oh,
Sorry, I put 0.3.
is that what you got, Shari?
So
Yes,
997.
Okay.
0.997. Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The values match 6, 8, 9, 5, 99, 7 rule.
Yep.
As the z-score
Yep.
increases, the area decreases, probabilities double as you go. I think it's the first one.
Yep.
Me too.
Woohoo! We're getting this, people. Okay, so now we're getting into
The
the
real
meat.
stuff.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the U.S. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of food quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. So GP. Population mean protein requirement for adults is 66 and the population standard deviation is 0.07. Use this information.
Whew.
Okay, I think
So our important stuff is that we got the mean and we got the standard deviation.
Yeah.
Okay.
portion of the population is less than 0.60.
Okay, so Z equals 0.60 minus 0.66 over 0.07, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. Ugh. Can we begin again? Sorry.
Uh-huh.
I was kind of. Okay, so it's
we're
0.60.
Plugging it into the usual 0.60 minus 0.66
Mm-hmm.
divided by 0.07.
Okay. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it.
Uh-huh.
I got, whoa.
Okay. Divided by 0.
3. Yes.
You got a negative number?
Okay.
I got 0.857.
Yeah.
I got negative 0.857.
Is it negative?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Negative 8.57.
Okay, so now we take that and plug it into our applet, right?
Mm-hmm. And then it wants less than that. So make sure it's just the left portion that's blue.
Okay. And that's
Oh, those are
0.196.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. 8 point. Oh, 8. Oh, I did it wrong. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Look. Okay, so 0.6086 is what you said? No.
No.
196.
19. Okay. What? Okay. 0.196.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah. It helps when you put the right numbers in.
So then this is 14 is more than. So just stay at the applet, and we want to do all the ones that are more than. So you just take away the left and put the middle and the right.
Yes.
Or you can subtract if you
From
want.
1. Uh-huh.
So it's 0.804. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
So then this one we just do it for 0.70 instead of 0.60.
Uh-huh.
What did you guys get for 14?
0.804.
0.8.
Oh, okay. And the other one is the other opposite, basically,
Uh-huh.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I did something wrong. 0 point. Hold on a second. Oh. What'd you guys get for the 15? 0.75?
Where are you at?
I don't know. I am on number
Sorry,
15.
0.716.
Oh, you mean the final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I haven't got there yet.
Okay.
I guess I'm confused at what I'm doing here for number
Yeah, me-
15.
So you have to redo the problem because it changed the
70 or
from
point.
60 to 70. So you have to redo the whole Z score first.
Oh, okay.
Plug it
Do
in
that
instead
first.
of the
I see.
0.60.
Hold on just a second.
All right, I don't know what I did. I need to go
Okay.
back.
So 0.70 minus 0.66 over 0.07. And I got
think did my math.
0.571.
Yeah, I think I did my
Yeah,
math.
that's what I got.
Okay,
Yep,
so
me
then I
too.
put that into the applet. And then you have to shade because it wants less than, so you have to shade all the areas to the left of 0.571. Right?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Did it work for you?
Oh, I just lost my applet.
Oh.
Crumb. Oh, where do I find the applet
It's
again?
byui.math.com/app/normprob.html.
BYUI.com.
Math.com.
Oh, math.com.
/apps
Apps.
/normprob.html.
Okay. Oh, okay, I wrote something wrong.
byuimath.com.
Oh, I put a dot in there. .com. There it is.
Okay.
All right, sorry about that, guys.
No problem.
So then,
What I'm doing here.
what did you guys get?
0.716.
Or are you talking about 16?
I don't know.
15.
15. Sorry, I'm still slow here. Okay.
You're
Yeah,
fine.
that's 0.716. Okay. 16. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement between 6.60 and 0.70. So
we need to find.
So this is our subtraction problem.
Right. Are we taking 0.571 and subtracting the
No, because
0.804?
you don't want the z-score, you want the probability.
Oh.
negative 0.857 minus 0.716.
No, you want 0.716 minus 0.196.
Oh, right. I wrote down.
Because you have the 70,
Right.
less than 70, and then you have the less than 60 that we don't care about. All right, so we're just trying to find it between 60 and 70.
Sorry. All right, so,
Okay, so your
right.
proportion of that are less than 70 is the 0.716, right?
Okay. So
Okay.
How did you get that? Sorry.
Hang on, just a minute. I gotta plug my computer in. Hold on.
Oh, because it's 15. In number
15.
it says less than 0.70 is 0.716.
Yeah. We already solved for 70 and 60.
Which ones were they?
13 and 15.
13 and 15.
Yeah, so
okay.
if you draw your line and you've got 70 and 60 and 0 or whatever is less than 60, from 70 to 0 is 0.84 or 0.804. From 60
I'm just
to
confused
0,
at how I got that. I'm just really confused. I just got lost.
I'm sorry, I meant 0.716.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I read the wrong one.
Did I get number 13? Did I get number 13 wrong? Was it 0.196?
Yes. Yeah. So that's the portion that's less than 60. From 60 to 0 is 0.196.
Got it.
Okay.
Because we don't want that.
Right. We just want 70 to 60.
Got it. Oh my goodness.
0.716 minus 0.196.
Right. Which is 0.52. Is that what you got?
Yes.
I have it. 0.52.
I'm still lost. I don't know why I'm lost.
Okay,
it's like just.
So really, did you draw a line on your paper?
Okay.
And number 0 on the left side and 70 on the other side.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have 60 that's in there. And we're trying to find out the area between 70 and 60, right?
Right.
Okay, what we know is that from 70 to 0 is 0.716. And we know that from 60...
Was that number 15?
Uh-huh.
What did you guys get for number 15 again?
0.716.
Why did I get 0.571? Where did that come from?
I don't know. Oh, that's your Z-score.
That's your Z-score. Then you
You have to plug that into the applet.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. That's where I went wrong. So it was 0.716 once I plugged it in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see. That's where I was like, where are you getting that number? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Just minus that.
Yeah.
0.196.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 0.52?
Yeah.
Is that the answer?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Got it. Just a second. I got to work this problem back out so I make sure I got it right.
Sure.
And that's supposed to be, sorry, I'm just working back out 15 so I know what I'm doing here.
Mm-hmm.
So when we're doing the shading on number 15, you have to highlight which portion, I guess.
Less than 70. So it's everything less than your 0.7, your Z-score for
left.
It's everything to the left of that because it's less than.
Everything left of 0.571.
Mm-hmm.
And that's 716. Okay, got it. Got it.
Good job.
I think I got it. Okay, so it was 0.52 was the answer on 16.
Yeah.
Okay, so the last two.
Okay, so percentiles.
So then do you
So
just
now,
put in 0.35 in the area?
and that gives us
Yeah,
our
that's what I
Z-score. So our Z-score is 0.385, and then we have to plug it back into the original problem,
How
right?
did you get 0.385?
I just put in 30.35 at the top.
Oh, you put point, okay.
And then you got
Okay.
0.385?
0.35, and I got 0.385. Is that what you got?
The second time I did it, it worked. I don't know what's the matter with this. Okay.
Annette, is that what you got?
Yeah, I just got that.
I'm good.
And so you got 0.385, and then we have to plug
Now
that
we have
back
to put
in.
it
Is that right?
in. So that's our Z-score. So we have 0.385 equals x minus, what's our original? 0.66. 0.66 over 0.07.
Yeah.
So then multiply by 0.07.
Okay.
And I got 0.02695.
Shoot. 385 times 0.07. And then plus. What did you guys get with that?
So I ended up with 0.687.
Yeah.
Oh, good. That's what I got.
Okay.
687.
And then that's what we put in there? Okay.
Let me make sure.
Point.
0.687.
687.
Oh, wait. Do we put it in for point? Do we put it in as 0.687?
That's right. That's what I just wanted to check real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's what I had to look up because
Sure.
it's in points. It's 0.6 grams.
Okay. Okay.
0.66 is the mean, so it's got to be a
Then
point,
we
right?
thing for 80.
The 80th. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh, I did it again. See? Don't pay attention to my notes. 35th percentile is going to be a negative.
Oh, yes, it
Oh,
is.
That
Yep.
screws me up every
Thank
damn
you.
time.
Okay, so the next one we know is going to be positive. The next one's
Yeah.
going to be positive.
So now we have to
Because it's
redo it
Okay.
because it's going to change
Because
the
it's
answer. So,
Oh, it is going to change the answer?
yep.
Because it was negative.
Wait,
Okay.
Which number's
Wait,
negative?
That's good.
Yeah, which number's
because it's the 35th percentile, it's less than 50%. We have to take the
Right.
negative z-score.
So that's going to be,
Negative 0.385.
okay.
okay. Oh yeah, it totally changes it.
Times.
I'm so glad you're here, Shari.
I'm so glad I remembered that because dang it, I've missed it every time we've had that.
Plus 0.66. Okay, so I got 0.633.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Sorry, I'm slow.
Oh, I got it too.
Good job.
Call from toll-free
That could be my phone.
That's my phone. You like
Sorry.
it speaks to me.
Yeah.
0.633.
Yes.
Yay, I can do something. Okay.
Yay.
0.633. Okay, so then 80.
We know it's going to be positive.
Yes.
I got 0.719. Is that right?
Hold on, I'm not there yet.
No, I haven't
Show
got
off.
there yet.
Slow down, sister.
Okay, I'm just sorry.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, I got the same 0.719.
Okay.
I'm so slow. Sorry.
It's okay. Ain't a race, ladies.
That's good. I would not win.
I'm scared. I'm scared about the homework now.
Yeah.
0.719.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait a minute.
No?
Wait a minute.
Wait. I'm just putting 0.80 in the top, right?
Yes.
Okay, and I got it.
two.
I got
The
0.842.
z-score should be 0.842.
Okay, that's right. Okay.
Okay.
And then you have to just plug that into the equation.
And the final
That's what I was-
answer is 0.719. Okay.
Can we just quickly review over the answers?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Hold on just a sec, though. Let me get this.
I really love our group. I'm really glad you guys are in our group.
Yes, me too.
Me too. It sounds like there's a couple of other groups that aren't doing well, is what it
Struggling,
seems
yeah.
like. Like they're
Oh,
not getting
shoot.
to meet very often. Or...
Really? Oh, which brings me to another thing. But next Thursday I have a doctor's appointment, and I can't miss it because I had a miscarriage a couple weeks ago and was rushed to the hospital with hemorrhaging. And so I have to go to this appointment to make sure I'm okay.
Okay.
But it's at 10 o'clock in Boise, so I have to leave here by 9:30. So I didn't know if we can meet earlier or later. I'm going to meet Wednesday or Friday or...
I'm good.
I'm okay meeting later.
I can wait until about, I don't know, 1. I have to be done probably about 1 Idaho time.
Are you on Mountain Time, Krista?
time. Yeah.
Okay, so it's 10 o'clock there.
Are you on Central
Yeah.
time,
Mm-hmm.
Annabelle?
I'm on Central Time.
Me too, yeah. So we're an hour ahead of them.
So, and I have appointments with my kids every Thursday afternoon, so I can't do it later. But you can probably meet slightly earlier. When do you have to leave
do
by
it earlier?
9:30 your time?
Yeah. I can meet earlier. I can meet a different day. I can do.
Can you meet at 8 your time? Do
What?
8 to
So
9?
9.
Yeah, I can do 8.
Does that work for you, Annette?
And 2. Uh-huh.
Yeah, so like 9 o'clock Central Time, would that be it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it's 8 o'clock
Yeah.
Mountain.
Okay, I can do that.
Oh, thank
Sure.
you guys. I'm like, I don't want to miss it because you guys are so helpful.
Yeah.
But I can't change that.
So
appointment.
You can't miss it.
So make
Yeah.
sure this is on the 8th, right?
Yeah.
8, yeah. Yeah, she's
I just change it on my calendar.
my midwife
Uh-huh.
following week, so she's not gonna be here.
Oh.
And I need to check my iron and my blood levels, and that's why I'm so tired.
I'm sorry that you had to go through that.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
Me too. It was very, very scary, but
It's not a fun thing to go through.
on the
I
mend.
understand.
So we're good. Okay, so do we want to go over?
Yes.
Just more other things.
Okay, so 18, what was the final outcome of 18?
0.719.
Okay, fabulous. That's what I got.
Okay,
Now I'm ready to
so
move on. Okay, so
3 would be 1. Total area is 1. We all agree.
Uh-huh.
yes.
This density curve cannot drop below the x-axis.
Right.
That's false.
False.
False. Number 5 would be true.
Yeah.
6 is C.
Yes.
7 is B.
Uh-huh.
8 is 68%.
Yeah.
9 is 0.683.
Mm-hmm.
10 is 0.955.
I'm sorry, what was 9 again?
11.
Can we go back? What was 9?
3.
0.683.
683, okay.
3.
0.683.
And then
okay.
10 is 0.955.
Okay.
11 is 0.997. 12 is the first one, 68, 95, 99. Then we had 13 is 0.196. 14 is 0.804. 15 is 0.716. 16 is 0.52. 17 is 0.633. And 18 is 0.719.
Yep.
I'm just double checking. 13 was 0.196.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
All right, I'm hitting submit.
Submit.
We did. 100%.
Woohoo! Awesome. Way to go,
We
Lee.
are rocking it, girls.
Mhm.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yay!
Yay, another week down.
Yay.
Way to go.
So
Now
if
we
anyone wants to go over homework, or are we all good?
Anyone that wants to stay for homework, I know we probably need to stop recording, don't we? I don't know if we need to.
Oh,
Stop recording.
yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't-
Does it? Okay. I just didn't get a chance to go through it, so I'm making sure
Okay.
I think I know the first couple.
The
Let's
plot.
see. Yeah. Hold on just a second.
I gotta go get it.
Okay, so that's kind of an S shape on the first one, so that's not normal.
Right.
And then the next one's normal. That's can you get a
Yeah.
straight line through.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, the NASDAQ price and volume. So we have to use, do we have to use something on the computer for this one?
Yes.
Yeah, you've got to look that up.
You're gonna open it in the SPSS and do a QQ plot.
Yep.
But do we have to go to that one page that shows NASDAQ price
Yeah,
and
you're gonna
volume
open the
first?
file.
Or
Uh-huh.
And then bring that up in SPSS.
where is that again?
If you just open up the homework assignment, it'll have a link to
Oh,
it.
it's there.
Or it's under, oh yeah, that's probably your best way.
Wait,
Or
I
the
don't
online
see it
textbook. I think
under.
you can get it out of the textbook, can't you? Yeah. I don't know. I just downloaded the whole file with all of them. So I didn't have to
That
try
would probably be a smart thing to do, Shari, but see, I'm not thinking that way.
I'm just lazy. I didn't want to have to go look for it every time.
Gosh. Okay, let me see. Maybe I'm going to save it to my computer so I can do this again. Hold on. Documents. Sorry, ladies, I'm kind of slow here. Just trying to
Okay.
Save. Okay. Okay, so we're going into the NASDAQ one. Okay. Okay, got it.
Oh, it's not on there.
Okay, this is the one where we go to the Q plots. Is that what you were saying?
Yep.
Okay. Hold on, it's taking a minute for my stuff to load.
You're good.
My computer is being slow today. What the?
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we go to. Oh, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Okay. So we're going to descriptive statistics and down to Q plots, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, I'm not doing anything on mine.
Are we moving the price and the volume over to the variable?
Yeah.
Is that what we're supposed to do? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because they'll make two plots. One for each.
Okay, and let's see. Okay, which of the following statements is most correct? The two arrows shows a more distinct normal trend. Where are you guys looking to find this
So if you
for the
scroll
number
down,
1 or number 3?
You,
the QQ plots,
Yeah,
it'll
You go
tell you the
down.
name of the plot, and it'll show you,
right.
and it
And
has
it's
a couple
not-
of different plots.
It has a D. What is the other one? D something, and you don't
Mhm.
use that one.
Mhm. So you're just gonna look for the two that match kind of what we've been looking at, and it'll be apparent to you which one is normal and which one's not.
Okay. So between price and share volume.
So
Oh,
volume
okay.
line,
So there's a more distinct non-normal trend. Oh, okay. So between price and share volumes. Where's the price? Let me go to the price. Okay. I see. Okay. Yeah, got that one. So it was B. Under normal still false. Okay, that was kind of some of our quiz questions. Okay, normal density. So 4 is B, and then normal density curve is symmetric. True. Oh, okay. I'd even look through this. So hello. If the z-score for an observed data value is negative, then which of the following is true? Okay, so for number 7, if the z-score for an observed data value is negative,
So it's going to be
how would
left,
you?
it's going to be left of the mean.
Yeah.
Right.
So on a z-score scale,
Oh,
you have
I see.
the center is your mean.
Right.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, Krista.
No, you're good. You were right there. So it's just it's everything left of the mean is the mean negative.
Right. Okay. So it's B.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. According to this, the rule features. Okay, that was easy. It was 95% is within the 2 standards.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, standard exam is approximately 70 minutes.
Okay, and he said on this.
I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. And he just okay. I'll wait till she gets back.
Okay.
What he said about that one. Did you email Dell and tell them I was having questions?
Sorry, ladies. I had to go see if my son was home. Okay. Did you guys talk about 9 yet?
No.
No. What he did say is that when you see using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, do not use the applet. When you see that in a question, you don't use the applet. Just that was my little thing.
Yeah, I thought these were easiest just to draw like the number line and just draw like the deviations.
Okay.
Yep. Let's see. Ooh, there's my mess.
So sorry. How do we work out the number 9? You guys.
Okay. So you're gonna draw a picture. So it's gonna like this. So you're gonna draw the picture, and then you're gonna cut it so that then you figure out what the one. So your mean is 70, and then one standard deviation is 10. So then it's gonna your next one on your right is gonna be 80. Then the next one's 90, and the next one's 100. And on your left of the mean is 60, 50, 40. Okay, and so then you're using the empirical rule. So you're going to cut 60, between 60 and 80 is the 68th percentile, because that's one standard deviation. Then between 50 and 80 is the 95th.
No, 50 and 90. 50 and 90. 50 and 90.
50 and 90. I know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's what I'm saying, not what I'm doing. Not what I'm saying. I'm doing it, but I'm not saying it. Okay, so 50 and 90 is 95, and then 40 and 100 is 99.7.
Yep.
Okay.
So then when you have that, you have to realize that between 60 and 80 is 68%, but only half of that is 34%.
Right. Okay. Right.
So 34, 60 and 70 is 34%. Between 70 and 80 is 34%. And you could keep going down that way. And then you want to take, let's see, complete. So you want between 60 and down, because they're asking in less than an hour. So you're going to take the percentage between 50 and 60, which is 13.5, and then your percentage between 40 and 50.
I'm sorry.
Okay, hold on.
I just forgot how to get that. 13.5.
Okay.
13.5.
So you have between 60 and 70 is 34%. Between 70 and 80 is 34%. That equals 68%. So now what between those are what? So 95% minus 68.
Oh, okay, minus 68.
And then divide by 2.
Okay.
Because half goes on each side.
Right. So it's 13.5 is what those two are. Then you go down and you're going to have to subtract like 95 from that other number, and then you get 2.5 between 40 and 50. I know, this is such a long problem. I was are you serious?
I did mine just as a little bit different. And I just took the 99.7 range.
Yep.
So I divided 99.7 by 2.
Oh, yep.
And then added the 34.
Oh, yeah, you could totally do that. And he did it a couple different ways. This is the way that I wrote it down.
No, it's just interesting to hear your way. I'm trying to follow you. So
when you do the one for the 97.7, does it break down to 2.5 on each side?
Yes.
Okay. And then once you have that, to get the 16%,
that would be 95.
90 answer.
0.5 on each side. because you'd have 5 to get to 100, so there'd be 2.5 on each side. So that's the 95, not
2.5
the
on each
97.
side. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Mhm.
So 95.
So if you take
Okay.
so Krista, how did you finish yours?
Sorry, I just got kicked out of
Oh.
my internet. Let me try it on this computer. I have I haven't downloaded. Sorry, let me get into this one. Ah! What should I do?
So, Krista, how did you get the 16%?
You add 13.5 plus 2.5.
Okay. Okay, because that's
less than.
Oh, I see. I see.
Or less.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, back in this way.
I think I got that. Okay.
Okay. Did you get 9 then?
$16.
Okay.
Okay. I think I understand that now. Like once I actually did it.
16%.
Okay. Okay, I think I understood the 10.
Okay.
So were you just using the formula on 11?
Yeah.
We're trying to find Z, right?
Yep.
Right.
So it's the 70, value. Is the value 60.56?
Yeah.
And then you're taking that and you're minusing the
74.
The mean.
number 11.
The mean.
74.45.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's divided by the 4.41.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. She says okay. 3, and then it's negative 3.10. Now, number 12, for the shoe sizes, what did you guys do to work that out?
He went through individual. So he said the man has an unusually small shoe size. He said, well, that's not right because it would be less than the mean. So that one he crossed off.
Okay.
If the man had a normal shoe size, it would be around 0, close to 0. So he said that can't be it. The man's shoe size is 2.9 sizes larger. He said we're not calculating shoe size, so that doesn't work. So it's D. But he said also the man has an unusually large shoe size because it's above the mean and it's more than 2 above the mean.
I see.
So more than 2 above the mean.
So
right?
If your Z-score is over 2, then it's an unusual thing.
Then it's abnormally large. Whatever.
I gotta write down all these things. I have to. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I get that. Okay. Are you guys just helping me? You all did your homework? I'm kind of the one that's
No,
behind
it's
here.
you and me. They're helping me too. So.
Yeah, and it's
Okay.
actually really good for me because when I went through it, it's like good for me to go back through it and make sure I still remember what I did.
Okay, so on this next part, the SAT and ACT, it's, I think I could probably work through this, but so the Z-score is the 1.8. Wait. I'm just looking at the. So on this one, you would take, you're just doing the formula again, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
13,
so, if I got it right, we're taking 36 minus 500? Is
No.
that right?
No, you've got two different things you're working with here.
You have to
Oh.
find out Eleanor's Z-score and then find out Gerald's Z-score. They're two separate
Oh.
problems.
Okay.
So you got the SAT mean is 500
Right.
with a standard deviation of 100, and then the ACT is 18 with a standard deviation of 6. So it's just two separate problems.
Okay.
One rolled into one.
So
So you're finding a Z-score for the SATs.
okay,
for
so I'm
Eleanor?
taking 6. So I'm starting out with 680
Mhm.
Yeah.
minus 500 divided by 100, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
To get the SAT.
Yep.
Yes.
And then the other one is going to be the you're doing the 680.
27 minus 30
27
Minus 18.
is 18
minus
divided by 6.
18 divided by 6 is
Right.
okay. I can work that out. But,
Yeah. They want, and then they
Okay.
want you to find out which one has the higher which one has the higher Z-score, or which one has the higher score, who did better, and why they did better. Because you're between the SAT, between Gerald and Eleanor.
Comparing two different scores.
Yeah. Okay, we spent most of the time, it feels like, on this Chocolux thing. I don't know about you, Annette, but I felt like we spent so much time on this, which was good because it was super hard.
It was crazy.
Oh, it was.
Chocolate at the end.
I mixed up my answers
Okay.
for 18 and 19, so I need to make sure that when I was reading, that I read them what they really want. Because I had like
Oh,
the answer for 18 on 19.
Oh, hold on, ladies. I'll be right back.
$15 I thought was pretty easy. I thought that was pretty straightforward.
yeah.
$16 was pretty easy too.
Mommy, don't fight me. Don't fight me. Mommy, can we drink?
Okay, hold on. Just a minute.
I take the cup and I get the cup.
Sorry, ladies.
No problem.
Hey, I am just going to have to work out that problem on my own because my son's home now. So anyway,
Yeah.
sorry. You
Okay.
guys keep working, but I'm going to go.
Annabelle, if you have
Okay.
problems, go ahead and email me, and I'll check my email several times today. So if you need
Okay.
help, but also you can go to the recording of his thing and go towards the end, and you'll get that.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Bye,
Yeah.
ladies. I'll see you, and I'll try to send you an invitation.
Who's
Okay,
our
bye.
leader?
Annabelle
See
is,
you. Bye.
Is she our leader?
yeah.
next week? Okay.
Yes, I'm the leader next
Okay.
week.
Awesome.
Okay.
See you later.
Yeah.